So you're thinking about getting a trademark for your business and wondering, shouldn't I use one of those cheap online services like LegalZoom instead of paying a bunch of money for an attorney? The answer is maybe. But before you do, consider this. First, from a business owner standpoint, I get it. We all want to save money. So if I can spend $300 on some online service provider instead of $1,000 on a trademark lawyer, it seems like it makes sense. But there's a few things that we don't think about. First, LegalZoom and these online service providers, they are not your attorney. They're just some online warehouse that has you fill out forms and get your trademark thing on file. It's like the Walmart of legal services, but it's not even a legal service. It's just an online service. Just think about this. If you've been putting all this time, money, energy, and effort into building your business, and then you have something so important like protecting your name, do you want to trust it to like a bargain bin, cheap online service that might screw it up? I mean, if you had to get brain surgery, would you go to a brain surgeon or would you go to a cheap online service that has a back alley professional that's going to, I don't know, cut your brain out and put a new one in? Of course you would want someone that has some quality. And that's why working with a trademark attorney is important when compared to LegalZoom. Attorneys have your best interest in mind. They file trademarks in and out and know the nuances of the law, and they have your best interest in mind as the client, as opposed to just one more person filling out some online forms and trying to churn and burn and get them through the system. The second thing is, what happens if you fill out the form incorrectly or something goes wrong? These online service providers can't represent you. They're not attorneys. You then have something where you paid a bunch of money to fill out this online application. You screwed it up. You walk into a trademark lawyer's office like me. I look at the darn thing and say, yeah, I can fix it for you, maybe, but it's going to cost double, triple, quadruple what you paid online. And it turns out being more expensive. So I totally get why you might want to save some money using an online service provider, but it's probably not good for you, not good for your business, and it may even be more expensive later on down the line when an attorney has to fix these problems. Now, this might be one thing that you're thinking about when deciding whether and how to get a trademark for your business, but you might have other questions like, what's the value of a trademark, or what happens when I don't? Well, never fear, we're here. Just visit trademarktuesdays.com and you can download our free guide about how to protect and grow your business using trademarks. And in that way, you can make some smart decisions like, hiring a trademark lawyer instead of using some cheap online service. So visit trademarktuesdays.com, get the information you need to make the best decision for you and your business.